This video walks you through the new Manage option in Server and Site Management in FlyWP. After logging in, you will arrive at the server page, look for the Manage section, and click on it. You will discover service management options and your SSH or SFTP info. Nginx proxy takes care of all incoming requests to your server and smoothly directs them to the right sites. MySQL is the database powerhouse that stores and manages all the data for your sites. Redis helps speed up your site by handling caching and session storage effortlessly. Ophelia is a job scheduler for your server. Got something to restart? Let's click on Restart Nginx and hit that confirm button like a pro. Watch as your Nginx springs back to life. But wait, there is more. In the SSH and SFTP info sections, you will get all the cool stuff like public IP, SSH port, SSH username, sudo password, SSH login from this section. All set? Awesome. Next step, site management. For that, click on this site. Click on the Sites Management tab and you'll find some related options waiting for you. If you're having trouble with your site's functionality, try fixing file permissions. You can restart Docker Compose, update your Docker image, restart the PHP service, and restart Nginx, the web server that powers your site. Let's not forget about database credentials. Here, you will find your credentials, including database name, database username and password. In Redis credentials, the credentials will be displayed including Redis host username, prefix, and password details for connecting to Redis. Click on the clipboard icon to copy the credential and use it where necessary for both. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.